Ever wondered if potatoes are really healthy? Let's dispel some common misconceptions. Potatoes are often dismissed as empty carbs, but they're actually packed with nutrients that can contribute to a healthy diet. They're a source of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. However, it's not just about what's in the potato, but how you prepare and consume it that counts. So, are potatoes healthy? Absolutely, when part of a balanced diet. Stay tuned as we delve into the health benefits of potatoes. It's important to note the different types of potatoes. Now, when we delve into the world of potatoes, we encounter three main types: starchy, waxy, and all-purpose. Let's start with starchy potatoes. They are high in starch, low in moisture, and have a fluffy texture when cooked. They're perfect for mashing, frying, or baking. Think russets or Idahos. Next up, we have waxy potatoes. These have less starch and more moisture. They hold their shape well when cooked, making them ideal for dishes like potato salad or scalloped potatoes. Examples include red bliss and new potatoes. Lastly, there's the jack of all trades, the all-purpose potato. These are moderately starchy, moderately waxy, and can be used in just about any dish. Yukon Gold is a popular all-purpose potato. Understanding these types is key to unlocking a potato's nutritional value. Each type has its unique characteristics, and knowing them can help you choose the right potato for your dish and health needs. Now let's uncover the health benefits of potatoes. Just as there are myriad types of potatoes, there are numerous health benefits that these versatile tubers offer. Let's start with digestive health. Potatoes are a rich source of dietary fiber, especially when eaten with their skin on. This fiber aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system, preventing constipation, and promoting a feeling of fullness, which can help with weight management. Then there's the role potatoes play in disease prevention. Potatoes are a great source of antioxidants such as flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acids. These compounds act as little warriors, fighting off harmful free radicals in the body. By doing so, they help prevent chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Now onto blood pressure. If you're looking for a natural way to lower your blood pressure, reach for a potato. They're loaded with potassium, a mineral that helps to relax the blood vessels, leading to lower blood pressure. In fact, a medium-sized potato has more potassium than a banana, a fruit often touted for its high potassium content. But there's more. Potatoes are also a rich source of vitamin C, which boosts the immune system, and vitamin B6, which helps with brain development and function. They also contain small amounts of high-quality protein. Interestingly, potatoes also have a property known as resistant starch, especially when cooked and then cooled. This type of starch acts like dietary fiber, improving gut health and controlling blood sugar levels. But remember, how you prepare and cook your potatoes can affect their nutrient content. Boiling, baking, or steaming potatoes in their skins optimizes their nutritional value, while frying can add extra calories and fat. So whether you're mashing, baking, boiling, or roasting, remember that this humble tuber is more than just a side dish. It's a nutritional powerhouse that can contribute to a healthy diet. Indeed, potatoes are packed with surprising health benefits. Before we continue today, we have an amazing secret product that we have to share with our viewers. Did you hear about the unusual rice method that liquefies fat cells as you sleep? Yes, you heard me right. Clinical studies confirm just 30 seconds of this simple rice technique boosts calorie burning and fat dissolving by over 326%. That's more calories than 45 minutes of running. If you are interested, please click the link below to reveal the secret plant that you never knew before, or you can visit our website for more information. Alright, let's continue. So, what's in a potato, you may ask? Well, let's dive into the nutritional profile of this humble tuber. Potatoes are a fantastic source of vitamins and minerals. They're particularly rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports immune health. Just one medium-sized potato provides about half of the daily recommended intake of this essential nutrient. Potatoes are also packed with B vitamins, including folate and vitamin B6, which play a key role in brain development and function. Don't forget about potassium either. This mineral is crucial for maintaining proper nerve and muscle function, and potatoes offer more potassium than a banana. On top of these, potatoes are a good source of magnesium, a mineral that aids in hundreds of biochemical reactions in our body, and iron, which is essential for the production of red blood cells. But it's not just about vitamins and minerals. Potatoes are also rich in fiber. A medium-sized potato with its skin on contains about 4 grams of this vital nutrient, helping aid digestion and keeping you feeling full. What's more, potatoes are naturally fat-free and low in sodium, making them a healthy choice for those watching their diet. And while they do contain carbohydrates, these are of the complex kind, providing a steady source of energy. So, the next time you're enjoying a potato, remember that you're not just indulging in a tasty treat, you're also feeding your body a range of essential nutrients. As you can see, potatoes are a nutritional powerhouse. However, there are a few things to watch out for when it comes to potatoes. While they are packed with nutrients, they also come with a few caveats. One of the major concerns is their high glycemic index. This means that the carbohydrates in potatoes are quickly converted into glucose once in your body, leading to a rapid rise in blood sugar levels. For those managing diabetes, this can be a significant concern. Potatoes can also lead to weight gain when consumed in excess. Yes, they are low in fat, but they are high in calories. A medium-sized potato, for instance, contains about 160 calories. If you're watching your weight, you might want to consider portion sizes. Additionally, how you prepare your potatoes can make a big difference. Frying them, for instance, adds a significant amount of fat and calories. Baking or boiling them is a healthier choice, but beware of adding too much butter, cream, or cheese, which can quickly ramp up the calorie count. Lastly, potatoes are a common source of dietary lectins. These proteins can cause digestive discomfort for some people, especially those with sensitive stomachs. So, if you find you're feeling bloated or gassy after eating potatoes, it might be the lectins at work. So, moderation is key when enjoying potatoes. Ever seen a green potato and wondered if it's safe to eat? Well, potatoes can turn green due to exposure to light. This triggers the production of chlorophyll, giving them a green hue. But here's the catch. Along with chlorophyll, a toxin called solanine is also produced, which can be harmful if consumed in large quantities. It might cause nausea, headaches, even neurological problems. So, if you come across a green potato, it's best to peel off the green parts, or better yet, avoid it altogether. Remember, safety first when it comes to green potatoes. Now, how about we learn some quick ways to cook potatoes? Potatoes are versatile and can be cooked in a number of ways. Let's start with oven roasted potatoes. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's warming up, cut your potatoes into 1-inch pieces. Toss them in a bit of olive oil. Sprinkle some salt and pepper for seasoning and spread them out on a baking sheet. Put the sheet in the oven and let the potatoes roast for about 45 minutes. You'll know they're done when they're golden brown and crispy. Next up, garlic smashed potatoes. Boil some small potatoes until they're fork tender. Drain them and let them cool for a bit. Then, using the bottom of a cup or a potato masher, gently press down on each potato until it's slightly smashed. Drizzle them with olive oil, sprinkle some minced garlic, and season with salt and pepper. Bake these at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes until they're crispy and golden. The garlic gives them a delightful kick. For those who love a good crunch, crispy baked potatoes are a hit. Slice your potatoes thinly, toss them in olive oil and your choice of seasonings, and arrange them in a single layer on a baking sheet. Bake these at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Turn them over halfway through to ensure they're crispy on both sides. Finally, the classic baked potato. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Wash your potatoes well and prick them a few times with a fork. This allows steam to escape during the cooking process. Place them directly on the oven rack and bake for about an hour. You can test if they're done by poking them with a fork. If it goes in easily, they're ready. Slice them open, fluff up the insides with a fork, and add your favorite toppings. And voila! Potatoes can be a delicious and healthy addition to your meals. Lastly, let's talk about how to store potatoes. It's essential to know the best ways to store these tubers to extend their shelf life and maintain their nutritional value. Start by choosing a cool, dark, and well-ventilated place. This could be a pantry, a basement, or even a paper bag. Avoid plastic bags as they trap moisture, encouraging mold and decay. Next, separate your potatoes from apples and onions. These fruits emit gases that can cause potatoes to sprout prematurely. Remember, sprouted potatoes aren't harmful, but they may lose some nutritional value. If you find your potatoes sprouting or turning green, it's a sign they've been exposed to too much light. To prevent this, Keep them covered, but not completely sealed off. For those who prefer refrigeration, keep in mind that cold temperatures convert the starch in potatoes to sugar, altering their taste and texture. So store your potatoes right and enjoy them at their best. Before we wrap up this potato journey, we'd like to remind you to subscribe to our channel for more helpful and interesting content. If you've learned something new today or simply enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button. It means the world to us. We also encourage you to leave a comment. We love hearing from you, whether it's your thoughts on the video, any potato-related questions, or even your favorite potato recipes. Remember, your support helps us continue to deliver top-quality content just like this. So if you've enjoyed our journey through the world of potatoes, show us some love. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.